おーい、こっちだ。おーい、こっちだ。
Oi is used to get someone's attention from a distance, as in hey. Kochi means this way or here. And da is the casual way to say to be, but in this case it also acts as an exclamation point. Kochi da, over here. Hey, over here.
おーい、こっちだ。おう、写真より男前だな。おう、写真より男前だな。
Oh acts as a surprise, as in oh. Shashin is photo. Yori means then. Shashin yori, then in the photo. Otokomae is a handsome man. Shashin yori otokomae, more handsome than in the photo. And na is a masculine way to end a sentence, used to express one's thoughts or feelings. In this case, it's similar to saying you know, or I must say, Shashin yori otokomae da na. You are more handsome than in the photo, you know? Oh, you are more handsome than in the photo, I must say.
おう、写真より男前だな。ようこそ稲橋へ。お前を預かることになってる堂島良太郎だ。ようこそ稲橋へ。お前を預かることになってる堂島良太郎だ。
Yokoso means welcome. Inaba is the name of the rural town in which the game takes place, Inaba. Shi is used after a city's name to mean city. Inabashi, Inaba City or just Inaba. Inabashi-e, to Inaba. Yokoso Inabashi-e, welcome to Inaba. Omae is a masculine and very informal way to say you. Azukaru means to look after. Omae wa azukaru, I will take care of you. Koto ni natteru indicates a decided state that was made some time ago and the news is no longer new to the speaker. Doujima Ryotaro is his name, Ryotaro Doujima. Omae wo azukaru koto ni natteru Doujima Ryotaro da. I'm Ryotaro Dojima, the one who will look after you. Welcome to Inaba. I'm Ryotaro Dojima, the one who will look after you.
ようこそ稲橋へ。お前を預かることになってる堂島良太郎だ。お前のおふくろさんの弟だ。一応挨拶しておかなきゃな。お前のおふくろさんの弟だ。一応挨拶しておかなきゃな。
Is an interjection like let me see or well. Ofukuro is a masculine and informal way to call one's mother, similar to old lady. And because he's mentioning someone else's mother, he added san for politeness. Omae, you, masculine, very informal. Omae no ofukuro-san, your mother. Otouto is younger brother. Omae no ofukuro-san no otouto da. Well, I'm your mother's younger brother. Ichio acts as a filler word and can have a lot of meanings depending on the context. When it's at the start of a sentence, some of the meanings are for now or for the time being. Aisatsu is greeting. Aisatsu suru, to greet. Shiteoku implies doing something in advance for your later convenience, like getting something out of the way. Shiteokanakia, must do, need to do in advance. Ichio aisatsu shiteokanakia na. For now, we need to say our greetings. Well, I'm your mother's younger brother. For now, we need to say our greetings.
お前のおふくろさんの弟だ。一応挨拶しておかなきゃな。
はじめまして。
Hajimemashite is a polite way to say nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
おむつ替えたこともあるんだがな。おむつ替えたこともあるんだがな。
Omutsu is diaper. Kaeru means to replace or to change. Kaeta, changed. Omutsu kaeta, I changed the diaper. Koto mo aru, used after a past action, indicates an experience, meaning there were times I've. Daga means though. And nda adds the explanatory feel to the sentence. Omutsu kaeta koto mo aru daga na. There were times I've changed your diapers though. There were times I've changed your diapers though.
おむつ替えたこともあるんだがな。こっちは娘の七子だ。こっちは娘の七子だ。
Musume is daughter. Nanako is her name, Nanako. Musume no Nanako da. She is my daughter, Nanako. Kochi in this context means this. This is my daughter, Nanako.
こっちは娘の七子だ。俺、挨拶しろ。俺、挨拶しろ。
Hori is an interjection like hey. Aisatsu suru, to greet or to say hello. And shiro makes it a strong command. Aisatsu shiro, say hello. Hey, say hello.
俺、挨拶しろ。
にちは。にちは。
The word children fully says konnichiwa, hello. Hello.
にちは。
こいつ照れてんのかこいつ照れてんのか
Koitsu is a very informal way to say he, she, or this person. This way of addressing can sound rough or rude. Tereru means to be shy. Noka asks for an explanation. Terete noka is contracted form of tereteru noka, are you being shy? Koitsu terete noka, is she being shy? In this case, noka makes it more of a rhetorical question. Is she being shy?
こいつ照れてんのかいていて
Ite is an interjection that means ouch. It comes from the word itai, painful. Ouch!
いてさて、じゃあ行くか。さて、じゃあ行くか。
Saate is an interjection like well. Ja means then. Iku means to go. And ka here makes it an invitation. Iku ka, shall we go? Ja iku ka, then shall we go? Well, then shall we go?
さて、じゃあ行くか。車、こっちだ。車、こっちだ。
Kuruma is car. Kochi in this case means this way. Kochida, it's this way. The car is this way.
車、こっちだ。
Now let's watch the entire scene and see how much you can understand.
おーい、こっちだ。おう、写真より男前だな。ようこそ稲橋へ。お前を預かることになってる堂島良太郎だ。お前のおふくろさんの弟だ。一応挨拶しておかなきゃな。おむつ替えたこともあるんだがな。こっちは娘の七子だ。俺、挨拶しろ。
にちは。
こいつ照れてんのかいてさて、じゃあ行くか。車、こっちだ。